To ICCA, I'm thankful and I'm proud for now I'm a product of ICCA Lead School in Culinary Arts. We learn a lot, we get more knowledge and definitely take us to a better place in the future.
The fundamental of the cooking. I have gained a wealth of knowledge here at ICCA. Thanks for creating a challenging and nourishing environment.
My next step after completing the ICCA course is whatever the things I learn here in ICCA, the skills and the techniques I'm gonna implement in my workplace.
My experience in ICCA was very great with the chefs. They are so friendly. We do learn a lot of things, cutting skills, cooking skills, and presentation, and manner of approach, timekeeping, in safety, in every aspect of cookery. ICCA is number one.
I want to take a moment to say thank you to my ADNH team for making me part of this culinary program. It's make me better in every kind of area, food safety, work safety, and presenting the food and making a better customer satisfaction. And thanks for giving me this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Christopher from Philippines. My experience in ICCA is full of fun, excitement. I'm really grateful and thankful to ADNH for giving me this opportunity to improve my skills and technique in the kitchen. Experience at ICCA was fun. We learned many new dishes. The chefs are amazing. They taught us many skills and techniques for our future career.
My name is Asela Madhuantu Tilagasiri. I improved my cooking skill at ICCA Abu Dhabi. I am happy with my progress.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Umair. I learned many new recipes at ICCA Abu Dhabi and it was a very great fun.
My time at ICCA was incredible. The supportive environment and diverse curriculum truly prepared me.
My name is Bipin Singh Rawat. I am from India. ICCA Abu Dhabi was great experience for me. Thank you, ADNH, for opportunity give me.
ICCA Abu Dhabi has a great environment for learning. I felt comfortable.
ICCA is very helpful. I learn a lot and I feel happy. I feel like I want to become a good chef.
After being here at ICCA, I'm gonna use this knowledge to make myself better.
Now I'm more confident, more stronger, so let's see what the next phase is.
Thank you for everything, Team ICCA.